Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. We've had 3 days of a hard freeze, and as you can see, the sweet potatoes are done. And I've got two big batches in the ground, and then this batch in a couple of pots. So I'm going to start with pots. A few little beginner guys. Let's hope this is a nice big batch here. Little ones to make seed taters for next year. This size is getting up into the eating size. So is that. One of the really cool parts about sweet potatoes is that we make our own dog food, and sweet potatoes are just an outstanding food for your dog. So all the little small ones are, goofball sweet potatoes like that, we kick up and put it in with the dog's food, and they love it. They say no problem. I hate getting a big shovel in here after them because invariably I always tear some up. It takes longer to do it by hand, but they come out a lot safer that way. I love when they grow like a bunch of bananas. There's a nice tater. There's a nice tater. Okay. Move on to the next one. Okay, here's one of them coming out. Wow, best tater yet. Amazing. Oh. The one I worked so hard to dig out turned out to be that one. The other one, those two are the two that came out of that spot. Boy, they were... Okay. There's a great tater. Here's a great potato. Okay, these ran into the edge and started turning sideways. Oh boy, there's a beauty. Just a couple. And a few more. Last year I got like 2 potatoes out of the white ones. So this is amazing. This is truly wonderful. This is truly wonderful. Never got this many before. So here's the potatoes that we got out of these 3 beds. There's the white ones. Here's some of the really nice sweet potatoes. Really nicely shaped. Good size. Boy, these are going to eat good. These are like the Covington or the Creole. These are probably just Beauregards down here. But, you know, they all count and they're all delicious. We grow them every year and we love every single bit. That's probably 25 to 30 pounds. I picked 21 the other day out of just a couple of leftover beds I had nothing to do with. Threw a few plants in. Got 21 pounds. And we got the 2 big beds to do. So I'm hoping we end up with 80 to 100 pounds of sweet potatoes. If we do, they'll be gone by February. Between the dogs and us, we go through a lot of sweet potatoes. Hello everyone, it's David of Grow and Eat This. I've been pulling weeds on this bed for about 20 minutes trying to get down to where I could actually make a video out of picking up sweet potatoes. And I really did not realize how bad the weeds had gotten. They're something else. So, I seem to be down enough now. Oh, I can start to see some sweet potatoes. There's a good one to see. Beauty right here too. Check that one out. It's terrible up here. So I dug it out real good, tilled it, put a ton of cardboard down. Spent about $100 getting potting mix put on top. Son of a gun, doesn't look like there's much difference. Got a few more, but whoa, let me take it back. Let me take it back. This is looking better. This must be the bowling ball variety. Oh, and this one's going to be even bigger. Look at that sweet potato. Holy mackerel. Oh no. One right here. There's one. And here's another one. More. Those purple white ones. But frankly, here's what came out of that bed. It is one monster sweet potato. But then, so is this one, and this one, and this one. So, this has been a pretty good harvest out of this bed. I'm not sad about it at all. We'll weigh it. I'm guessing 30, 35 pounds. We got one more big bed in the back to do, And frankly, I'll get a fork in here and probably find a few more, because this was just what we could get digging with our hands. There's probably a few more down in there. But it looks like it's being a pretty good harvest. This is certainly better than I got out of this bed last year. So, it's David of Grow and Eat This. Only one bed left. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone. This is David, Grow and Eat This. Out of breath because I've been pulling out some of these weeds. This is my last bed of sweet potato vines. Hopefully sweet potatoes. It's a 4 foot by 4 foot bed. And while the vines may be dead, they are still holding on. Well, I know I'm in the right area because there's a couple of little baby sweet potatoes. That is one fine sweet potato. Another nice sweet potato. Ooh, beautiful. Wow, that boy is deep. There we go. Well, some years this is the best bed. This year it was the least of the beds. These are still, you know, these are keepers, but would have liked a whole lot more. But that's the last of the sweet potatoes for this year. So now we got to get some totals on the weights. Here's the batch that you just watched getting picked. Not great, 4 foot by 4 foot area, 15 pounds. But these are all the purple, white fleshed, one of our absolute favorites. Then the big batch that we did before that, up in the front yard, that one's 31 pounds, and it was just a bunch of whoppers. Then the ones from the other bed in the front, it was 20 pounds, and it had a bunch of the white, total white potatoes, some Beauregards, and what looks like some Covingtons. Then the batch that you didn't see me do, because I didn't think there would be anything, was 19 pounds. That was just in a couple of fabric bags that I had a couple of slips left over, and I shoved them in. Son of a gun, of it, I didn't get 19 pounds of potatoes out of them. I didn't even bother to film it because I didn't think it was worth the effort. So my total haul is 15, 19, 20, and 31, or all total that's 85 pounds. That's a nice crop of sweet potatoes. And the funny thing is, they'll be gone by February, because us and the dogs, we love our sweet potatoes. So this is David with Grow and Eat This, sweet potato harvest. Thank you for watching.